Okay, this is my first attempt at using 1.7 millimeter diameter copper wire on aluminum oxide at 30,000 RPM to create a continuous sheet of copper useful for making dummy die for the Hi-Tech group. I'm performing this surfacing operation at 15 millimeters per minute of surface feed rate, and I'm keeping a total ratio between X and Z motion of exactly 80. That's the X distance I'm traveling to the Z distance I'm traveling, a ratio of 80. So X distance divided by Z distance gives us 80. We're traveling at 30,000 RPM, or whatever the motor can maintain, which is a 120 watt motor with 1.15 amps at 120 volts. I'm going to be collecting temperature data throughout the entire run and color camera feed. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and fire up the motor and start the deposition. Hold on. Something's weird here.